Tim and the Magic Typewriter. Once there was a boy named Tim. He found a typewriter in his basement. He pressed the period key, and it made him become little. Then the typewriter spoke. It said, "Let's go on an adventure." Tim jumped on the O key and the 0 key, which made the typewriter fly. They flew to a tree on the edge of a forest. Then they drilled a hole in the tree with the typewriter carriage return handle. This didn't hurt the tree because the tree was already dead. While they were drilling into the tree, a carpenter came up and tried to break the typewriter. Because Tim was so little, the carpenter ant seemed gigantic. Tim was scared. He yelled, "Go away!" But the ant stayed. Then Tim jumped on the D key, then the I key, then S, then A, then P twice, then E, A, and R. Then Tim jumped on the exclamation point. Once he typed disappeared, the ant disappeared. Then Tim typed HOME. And he and the typewriter flew home. Once they were home, Tim typed "go to sleep." And the typewriter turned soft. Tim snuggled to sleep with it. The end.
And I found an old typewriter in my basement. Not just any typewriter. This one is different. This one is special. This typewriter is magic. It said, "Come with me. We're gonna fly away. Let's have some fun on an adventure today. Hit the 0 key. Now we're flying, now we're free. To the edge of the forest, to the highest tree. Just spell a word. The keys are full of magic. What an awesome day. So super fantastic. It's getting late, but boy did we roam. I'm so sleepy now. I'll type the word home. HOME. Go to sleep. HOME. Go to
And our first place winner for kindergarten is Malkin.
Hey, this way. Come on, buddy. So, excuse me.
He's working his way out.
This way, Malcolm. Up front.
You
That
go
way.
this way, sweetie, up towards the stage. There you go.
Good job, buddy.
Big step, big step. There you go.
Malkin, what was your story about again?
Tim and the Magic Typewriter.
Did we just hear your voice reading that story?
Yes?
It sounds like it's a fabulous story. Is that the typewriter?
Yeah. I guess.
When you told your story, oh my gosh, look at you go. Are those real words?
I don't think the ribbons, I don't know why the ribbon's working like that.
Well, we'll get you a new ribbon. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah. Never mind, you got it working again? Okay, Malkin.
were actually letters.
That's good. Yeah, is this your typewriter?
Yeah, it was in the auction and I won it and Mom and Dad, they had to pay $70 and I had to pay them $70 out of my piggy bank.
You're going to get that $70 someday, I guarantee it. You're a star.